How to see card number on Wells Fargo app. It's pretty easy to do. Let's dive right in. First, you have to log into your account in your Wells Fargo app. Then go to your menu and click on Statements and Documents here. Then simply click on this option, Statements and Documents. Then you will find the three drop down option. Click on the first one, that is Statements and Disclosures. A drop down menu will open on your screen, and from here you will find some statements that are the statements of your transactions through Wells Fargo app, and you can find the date and the PDF file size beside the statement. Click on the latest one and a PDF file will be started downloading on your device, and this in this PDF file you will find a statement about your transaction just like this one. This is a example. For the sake of this video, you can find the card number or your account number on this statement. Usually you can find it at the top side of your statement file that the PDF file contains that you have downloaded from the app. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.